Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig and George Pig waking up the grandparents. Let's start drawing Grandpa Pig. Draw his eyes, his nose, and the shape of her head. Draw his mouth like this. He looks surprised and scared. A circle for her cheek. He has a beard like this. I put his hat on his head. It's a sailor hat. What's happening? They're in the bed. Now I'm drawing Grandma Pig. I draw her eyes and eyelashes, then her nose, and the shape of her head. She holds her mouth like this. A circle for her cheek. They is under a blanket. Draw her body. And her arms. Now I draw Peppa Pig on the bed. I drew her eyes, her nose, the shape of her head. Now I draw her mouth, and a circle for her cheek. Draw her body, and her arms. She's wearing pajamas. I draw her tail. I draw George Pig, his eyes, nose, the shape of her head, mouth, cheek, his body. I draw an orange, a bubble blower, and a piece of paper. In his hands, he holds a flashlight, also a piece of paper. Now I see the little pigs have just woke up their grandparents. Let's color now. Pink. Purple, red, purple, green, pink, purple, red, orange, blue, orange, blue, pink, purple, red, orange, fuchsia, green, light green, purple, orange, pink, purple, red, orange, green, orange, green, yellow, green, red for background. Great job, my little artists! You are doing amazing! I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.